Okay, now I'm zoomed.
You can go over the top of me, too.
This will be better. Yeah, this will be better. Okay, now we're recording. We're getting all this on there. Yeah, this is much better. I should have just done this. Let's see if I can really see it. I'm just going to hold it over the top, come down.
Sizzled my fingernail there.
Nice.
At least it wasn't my finger.
True. Oops. I'm not a very good photographer.
Well, most times if I want a picture, I have to do it myself around here, so... Whoa!
Yowie, yowie, yowie.
I'm okay. It's just a flesh wound.
Come on, let's see. I'm shaking. What piece are you on right here? Am I shading you? Yes.
I'm fine. I can see.
There we go.
I got it all assembled. Now I'm just filling it in. Filling it in is easy. The pieces can't move on me. This is, the solder is 60% tin and 40% lead. So you don't want to eat it.
For those that have paint chip addictions.
Yeah.
What piece of advice?
Lynn.
Stop that. I'll be darned, you make it look so easy.
Oh, there's other people that are way better than I am. Then after that, move it, let it cool.
I just really like your...
Yeah, it was going to be a lamp stand, but hey.
I like that.
Found a use for it, ceramics.
Cool.
Then, come on, get back on the pattern. And then, what's nice is that I made to this blossom here will connect to both the stem and the two leaves, and will add extra strength
that'll
and
be pretty.
give a couple spaces in there.
Yeah.
I like the looks when it comes to the flowers, when it has, unless it's a lamp, but just these free, window hangers.
Yeah.
I think it looks better to have a couple spaces in between here and there, kind of make it. I don't know if it. I'm not sure what you'd want to call it, because it's not natural looking because it's glass, but.
That's freeform. It gives it more of a freeform, and I like that.
Yeah, that sounds like a good term to use.
Oh, it is freeform.
Okay. I don't know. It's a fancy word.
Yeah. Like the freeform rings that kind of swirl and they don't conform to normal.
Oh. Now this is why you want to have flux on there. I forgot to put...
You're also going to burn yourself. We're getting this all on tape, you know.
Oh well. I could have said worse. I have.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Tip of a hot solder into the side of the arm, and it just doesn't feel good.
Bacon.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Gross.
And
Burn, sizzle, fry, fry. Dang.
then the other blossom can be attached now, which will go about like there.
Cool.
And I'll have to add a little. How did I have it?
Figure out how you're going to position it.
Yeah. I was going to leave a space between this one and that one, but have it attach over here.
Let's see. You don't attach that pedal to the pink one in the middle on one corner, just to...
Right here? Yeah. Just kind of... There's a couple other pieces that I still have to cut and put in there. That
I see, okay.
I'm just trying to remember. I have the pattern right here, but this is...
A little variation.
As they get wet, they smear. Sometimes you have to kind of remember what you originally had in mind versus what it looks like.
Remind me to show you a card I had. I'm going to have some art done. It's really, really cute.
More tattoo?
Yeah. I have a mark on the top of or the bottom of my leg work. It's just one line, and I never did complete it, and I don't remember what we were going to put there, and so the right leg is Mom's memory leg, in her memory, so this little critter will fit perfect.
What kind of critter?
Little frog.
Oh, frog, yeah, Grandma liked those.
Grandma loved frogs. Mama loved frogs, I should say. Grandma Trapp had frogs in her house.
That's kind of hot.
Charlie was his name. And he would croak up on top of the, not die croak, but croak like a frog croak.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. Up on top of her hot water heater in her kitchen. Or back, whatever.
And then, it's cool. I miss Grandma Trapp.
Yeah, me too.
She gave me a rubber Mickey Mouse.
Did she?
Yeah, it was from like the 40s, but it deteriorated.
Oh, too bad. Okay. We got 6 minutes on them. I'm going to go to 7 on this thing.
Well, sure. But yeah.
That's cool.
Then after it's all done, I wash off, you can see the corrosion and everything.
If I'm getting close on this, I want to see. Probably make somebody sick by watching my shakiness here.
There's little things. It all washes off, all the numbers.
Yeah, you showed me that. I thought it was pretty cool.
Yeah. It's Sharpie, but now you won't want to use Sharpie on etched glass because I found out with my Nintendo project.
Yeah, not good.
Stays on.